बचपन से मेरी अभिरुचि एक तरफ साहित्य की ओर थी और दूसरी तरफ खेलों की तरफ। इनका जुड़ाव बहुत कम होता है, लेकिन मेरे व्यक्तित्व में इन दोनों का अद्भुत सामंजस्य रहा। यद्यपि मैंने खेलों को कभी भी एक प्रतिस्पर्धा के रूप में नहीं लिया था। ये सब पिछले 4 सालों में घटित हुआ है, जब मैं स्पर्धा के रूप में खेलों को लेने लगा। जहां तक साहित्य का सवाल है, तो मैं अपने स्कूल, कॉलेज, नेहरू युवा केंद्र, इन सब पत्रिकाओं का संपादक रहा हूं। मैंने अ सीरीज ऑफ लेक्चर्स ऑन सेकुलरिज्म का संपादन कार्य भी किया हुआ है। तो कविताएं और साहित्य सर्जना मेरे स्वभाव से जुड़ी हुई हैं, और मैंने जो संघ लोक सेवा आयोग की परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण की, उसमें मेरा एक वैकल्पिक विषय हिंदी भाषा और साहित्य रहा है। सो फार एज स्पोर्टिंग अचीवमेंट इज कंसर्न्ड, it is like Johari's window of management, where you realize your potentials at later age. And that is what has happened with me. That one fine day I found that I'm in charge of the security of then Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. And now it is called Tata Mumbai Marathon. So I thought, why I shall also not participate? And I took the permission from my then CP, Dr. Satyapal Singh. And the permission was given with a condition that if you want to participate, you may, but at the same time, you have to deploy all the security arrangement before night, and next morning the most crowded event starts around 9, so you have to report there in uniform. That is dream run. So I did so without any practice, and I could run 21 kilometers, so I realized that I have the potential. The second thing, that the K. Vijay Kumar, who actually did Operation Cocoon, in which he has encountered Veerappan, the chase of brigand, Operation Cocoon. He has been specially called by then Chief Minister Jayalalitha. He was in BSF, and he retired as DG BSF, and now security advisor in Jammu and Kashmir. So he launched his book at CCI, and I was also one of the invitees. And when he disclosed a fact that other teams, other SITs were failing because they were not equally alert and fit as that of Veerappan's team or Veerappan himself. And he actually has mentioned that eye-opener thing for the police people, that when Veerappan's autopsy was conducted, the doctor who did the postmortem actually declared that his internal body parts are as healthy as 25-year young person. So you have to chase such brigands, such criminals, or if you have to counter such intelligent, agile persons, then you need also to be equally fit. And then I immediately decided to go for Ironman, which I had never thought of, and I got myself registered. Everyone discouraged me that it is not possible within a time span of 3 months. Even my wife, in a lighter vein, gave me a press, electric iron, and told me that I will click a photograph and post it as if you are an Iron Man. Of course, it was in lighter vein. She supported me all through. And I could do it in my very first attempt, and directly the Ironman, full Ironman at Vichy, France. And I became the first government servant, including defense, to be an Ironman. And the next year itself, even after I met with an accident while cycling, and I had 3 major fractures: the clavicle, scapula, and upper ring. Still, I got myself registered for the Ultraman Australia, one of the toughest in the world. Doctors told me that it would not be possible for you to practice for 6 months. It will go in your physiotherapy itself. But I started running with figure 8 bandage on, and I participated in Mumbai Marathon, 42 kilometers for the first time. Earlier I did 21 kilometers, but for the first time I participated 42 kilometers with braces on. And then I could complete that in good timing, and from March I started cycling. April was the only month I practiced sea swimming, and then I participated in Ultraman Australia, and it was another figure in my cap that I could become the first government servant, including defense, to earn the title of Ultraman, which is almost 2.5 times of Ironman. So this is 10 kilometers of ocean swimming, then 421 kilometers of cycling, and then 84.3 kilometers of running within a time span of 36 hours. I completed in 34 hours.